The Samsung Galaxy S23 range may have just been released in February 2023, but that hasn't prevented us from anticipating what the Galaxy S24 may bring to the mobile table next year. Samsung's current flagships are three of the greatest phones money can buy right now, and early indications indicate that the next several entrants in the renowned S-series will continue to push mobile performance and battery life standards. Assuming there are three models in the S24 line, you'll likely have to choose between 6.1, 6.6, and 6.8 inches screens, though the middle model might be slightly larger at 6.65 inches according to one Galaxy S24 Plus screen leak. Unless Samsung rocks the boat, we expect the vanilla model and the S24 Plus to stick with the S23's 120 Ultra AMOLED display, with the S24 Plus sporting the S23's glorious Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel in addition to its dynamic refresh rate, which can scale between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. It may peak out at 144 Hz this time around. However, according to one source, both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be able to dynamically vary their refresh rates between 1 and 120 Hz. Their predecessors could only decrease to 48 Hz, so this would be a significant increase and might help improve battery life. There's also news of a new more power-efficient M13 OLED panel being developed for at least the S24 Ultra, with scale of manufacturing defining if this more power-efficient panel also gets used for the S24 and S24, plus the physical appearance of the phones may be considerably different from what we're accustomed to. However, we have also heard that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may employ titanium for its frame rather than aluminum, since titanium is stronger but also more costly for the phone's cameras. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will replace the S23 Ultra's telephoto sensor with a new solution on the S24 Ultra, but the phone's primary camera would stay unchanged. Another tweet from our clouds claims that the S24 Ultra will use a Gen 4 optics zoom camera designed to considerably boost the phone's zoom capabilities. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.